So hey guys, what's up? This is Panshu. You're watching TI. Let's start the video. So guys, we know that Huawei has just launched the Mate X2 Pro. Uh, so uh, so this is the another Huawei folding phone, and this is the best folding phone that I have seen, and it's best than Z Fold 2. But I didn't want to compare it because G Fold 2 is a old folding phone. It is the next gen folding phone, so I didn't want to compare. But when G Fold 3 will come, I absolutely compared. So let's tell the how does I feel. So I appreciate Huawei to change the idea that it has taken to make folding phone like it make the Huawei Mate X, which is I don't like the design. I like the futuristic design, but this is not it can break easily. It has a special mechanism. I like that it has no gap. It has best processor, 5 nm best processor. But one thing I like is 4500 mAh battery. It has 9000 processor, which is very efficient, but it has triple displays at front, at to back. So how can this be managed? It has 55-watt super fast charger. I know this this processor can easily, but this I like the all the things. I like this is a water type mechanism, the first water type mechanism, the technology that developed by the Huawei. I like the design. It has no gap, guys. Come on, this is the best innovation. It has developed by a special innovation. I like the all the things. It has 8 GB RAM. It has best cameras made by Leica, and it has 50 megapixel plus 60 megapixel, and it has in full difference. We didn't expect a much more better camera, because it is a features then features. So your skin. Let's recap. Okay guys, bye. Subscribe to the channel. Bye.